Hi everyone, my name is Dr.Igor Cemortan.
What are the uniqueness of our university to attract the international students? Whether the IELTS is required for getting admission in the university, sir? Is there any age limit for the students to get admission over the tuition fees for the medicine program, the availability of the Indian food over the university? Hi all, myself I am Shihab. I am the managing partner of Campus Abroad Educational Service Company. We are since 2000 we are here in the abroad admission field. Here today the chief guest of Nicolae Testimitano State Medical University, Dr. Igor Cemortan, sir with us. He is an international admission head of USMF Moldova University. Here we are with some of the questions related to international admissions for the medicine and other programs. I'm warmly welcome Doctor for the session, having some questions and answers related to admission process and our session.
Thank you for invitation.
Thank you. You're welcome, sir. I'm asking some of the questions, sir, related to our university, related to the questions whoever is seeking for MBBS admission in our esteemed university. The first one, we just need an introduction about yourself and our university, sir.
Hi everyone. My name is Dr. Igor Cemortan. I'm head of the Department of Recruiting International Students. As well, I'm head of Department of Molecular Biology and Human Genetics, so I am involved in teaching process of our students as well. Nicolae Testimitano State University of Medicine and Pharmacy was founded in 1945, so next year we celebrate 80 years of its activity. So we have a very good experience in training local and international students of over 40 countries of the world. Now our graduates are working worldwide, are working in Moldova, are working in European countries, UK, US, and also in India. We are proud that our graduates are working successfully and we are representing a world university.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And just as a key points, what are the uniqueness of our university to attract the international students, especially the Indian students?
Well, there are a few strong points of our university. First of all, education in Nicolae Testimitano State University of Medicine and Pharmacy is focused on students. So the students' needs are the most important. That's why we adjust curricula according to the students' needs. Also, our university provides a huge exposure in our clinics. So there are over 60,000 beds affiliated to our university. Means all the clinical departments are located in university clinics. Therefore, students are permanently interacting with patients, can participate in different medical procedures, and can take experience from our doctors as well.
And sir, regarding the medicine program, how does our university ensure the quality of education, especially the medicine?
First of all, the process of admission is very strict, and we get only highly motivated students who have strong background in sciences, physics, chemistry, biology. Besides that, all the students permanently have to pass some assessments during semester and at the end of academic year. Each student has a possibility to retake twice the assessment. If students are unable to do that, in that case they are expelled or they can ask for repeating year. Besides that, starting with the fourth year, students are working on their scientific research paper, and at the end there is a graduation thesis which is defended by our students. So they not only study general medicine, but they also go deeper in some specific field of medicine.
And we want to know the other academics programs other than the medicine who offer our universities.
So currently university offers 8 academic programs, but for international students are available currently only 3. So is medicine MBBS, duration is 6 years, is dentistry, which is 5 years, and pharmacy as well 5 years.
Okay, the dentistry is affiliated by.
Yes, the dental program is accredited in California, United States of America. That means that our graduates have access to residency in California without any extra exams.
So the student, they don't need any entrance examination.
No, they can enter directly. Yeah.
Okay, this is the plus point. And other than the academics, sir, what is the campus life and other extracurricular activities within the university?
Talking about Indian students, they organized an Indian Medical Students Association, which is very active and regularly organizes different cultural, sport, and other kinds of events. And these events became popular in our country, and people are asking when the next event will be organized. Also, as extracurricular activity is or participation in different research clubs organized at all our departments. Also, students participate in different conferences, congresses organized in our university or somewhere abroad.
So you mean all the celebration India and all other countries are celebrating by students?
Yes, that's right. That's right. We encourage students to keep their own traditions, customs. That's why they have no limits to organize all these events.
That's nice. That's nice. Whether the IELTS is required for getting admission in the university, sir?
Actually, currently, no tests are required for admission to our university. There is an interview after the documents of the students are approved by the Ministry of Education and Research. In such a way, we, first of all, have to interact with students and understand if they can get our language, if they understand our language, our accent. And besides that, we are checking the motivation of students to learn medicine.
Okay. Is there any age limit for the students to get admission over there, especially the medicine program?
Actually, according to our system of education and our laws, there is no age limit for joining medicine. But most of the students are 17, 18, 20 years old.
Okay. Suppose some students with some year gap who passed 2 year or 3 year back the 12th grade. So, what are the possibility to get admission for that one?
Any student who qualified or cleared graduation exams here in India can join our university.
Okay, that's nice. And as per the NMC guidelines, NEET requirement. So, what is the point about the NEET requirement to study in Moldova?
First of all, there is no any sort of discrimination between local and international students. So the value of the academic certificates received by local students are identical to those which are received by international students. Both local and international students study the same curriculum, and the duration of studies for both local and international students is 6 years. Besides that, according to requirements of NMC, university guarantees 12 months, minimum 12 months of clinical rotation in our hospitals. That is possible only after graduation, after completing MBBS, according to NMC regulation. Also, the certificate, the diploma issued after graduation offers the same rights for international students to be employed or to join one of our multiple postgraduate programs through residency.
So you mean our university is following all the guidelines of NMC?
Yes, that's right. So it follows all the regulations of NMC.
Okay, that's nice. What are the admission requirement and the tuition fees for the medicine program?
To be admitted to our university, students or candidates should submit the +2 certificate to the apostillation, a copy of passport, birth certificate and police clearance certificate as well. If the students are going to come back and practice in India, the clearance of NEET exam is requested as well. But students can join our university without clearing NEET, but in that case they can practice in any other country. Considering tuition fee for those students who join in academic year 2024-2025, it consists of 6,000 euro and remains unchanged for the whole duration of MBBS in our university.
So that means if any increase in the tuition fee for the coming years also, it will not affect the students.
No. So
once they enroll, it will be the same.
Yeah. On admission, each student signs an agreement where it is indicated the tuition fee for first year and subsequent years, but it doesn't change actually.
Okay. Especially the Indian students, they need 1 year internship over there in order to come back to India and write the examination here. So whether it's the tuition fee need to pay or not, or just they need to pay only the tuition fee up to 6 years only.
As we are governmental university, the government does not provide any scholarships for international students. Therefore, students have to pay for this internship.
Okay. Sir, related to the security of our students and the hostel facility, especially Indian students, they are concerning about the food, the availability of the Indian food over the university.
Well, university ensures hostel accommodation in university dormitories. Currently, there are 5 hostels designed for Indian students, and according to parents' requirements, we have separate hostel facility for boys and for girls. So there are 2 hostels for boys and 3 hostels for girls. More hostels for girls because about 60-70% of our students are girls. That is because of high security in campus in city as well. Moldova is a multinational country. There are no any issues between people of different nationalities, including international students. Also, near our campus is provided Indian mess, so Indian food is available, and students with great pleasure are going to these places.
So one of the major points that whether for the clinical and practical, whether the cadavers are available, and as we know, many European countries which is not available. And what about our university, sir?
University ensures high clinical exposure to our students. So in the first and second years, when students study anatomy, clinical anatomy, the cadavers are available. Also, before going and working with real patients, students go through a simulation center, which is biggest simulation center in Eastern Europe, and they learn how to behave, how to interact with patients, and how to do different medical procedures. And the biggest achievement of our university is full access of our students to patients in university clinics. Moreover, during summertime, students have a summer internship, which could be conducted or in Moldova or in home country as well.
So they can do your obstetrician in home country?
Can do, and we recommend students to do this internship in home country because they can better understand how the system of medicine works in home country.
Sir, as we know, Moldova is not under the part of European Union now. So what is the possibility to be the part of European Union? Will be the expected time?
10 years ago, Moldova became associate country to European Union, and 1 year ago we became a candidate country to join European Union. Last week, Moldova signed an agreement of joining European Union as full member. We expect that by 2023 we'll become full member, and that will increase the value of the diploma issued by our university as well.
Yeah, of course, of course. And sir, one more point we would like to know regarding the academic mobility or Erasmus program.
International students, including Indian students, have exactly the same rights as local students. Therefore, they could be involved in different academic mobility events, including Erasmus.
Yeah.
We have a very good cooperation with Campus Abroad agency since 1916, so already 8 years. And Campus Abroad provides the biggest number of students, basically from South India, from Kerala, also from neighbor countries like UAE and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We want to say that the quality of the students provided by Campus Abroad company is good. We are satisfied because students are motivated and they have good background, means the agency is selecting very well the candidates to join our university. Besides that, Campus Abroad company provides Indian mess in a restaurant located nearby the campus, which is highly appreciated by Indian students and by locals as well.
The university delegates are with us here since last week. We were conducted seminar all over the Kerala, like Trivandrum, Kottayam, and today we are here in Calicut also. And next few days we are going to Qatar and UAE as well. We are conducting seminar Doha, Abu Dhabi, and UAE as well, and the part of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, and Dammam coming days. So thank you very much, sir, for your time, and we appreciate your answers, and I think it's clear all the points related to the university, related to the programs.
Once again, thank you for inviting me. It's always a pleasure to visit Kerala. It's probably the favorite place here in India, and I want to say that it's changing year by year.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We too, we expecting next year also. So once again, thank you very much, sir, for your time. So we'll see you next year.
Thank you.